I'm so excited because we got another Hungryroot order in, so I wanted to do an unboxing for you. And per usual, if you are new here and not subscribed, make sure to subscribe so that you can see how I cook these and how they turn out. I've been trying new things, so you'll be able to see a bunch of new recipes and meals. Since we've been trying out new things, we are still new to Hungryroot. And if you're new here, make sure to use my coupon code down in the description to get a discount off your first order. I love that they send you a list of what's in, and then they give you on the back the recipes and how to actually cook the meal, so you never have to worry about that. And they always package everything with cooler bags, ice bags, so you don't have to worry about anything going bad. We got sweet potatoes. Ooh, we got some whole wheat penne. Pico de gallo salsa. We got mushrooms. Ooh, creamy vodka sauce. I am a pasta girl, so I am excited about that. More mushrooms. Hold on, look at that's heavy, baby. Cauliflower. We have some tortillas. Looks like we have sauces for one of the meals. They always put the produce on top so it doesn't get smashed. Avocados, and then underneath is where they have the meat and where they have the ice pack. Spinach garlic chicken sausage, that looks really good. Some flavor packed creamy sauce made with warm spices and fresh spinach. That looks really good. Ooh, we got a couple of these. We got the ice packs in here. So as you can see, this stuff is really cold. It is still almost frozen, which is nice. We have the, basil pesto, 4 cheese mini ravioli, more 4 cheese mini ravioli. We have grass-fed beef New York strip steak. Look at this. From Stelli's. Ooh, that looks good. We have 2 of these. And then we have some seasoned grilled chicken breast. And more seasoned grilled chicken breast. On the menu for the week, just so you know what we are making with all of these items, I'm gonna be making steak tacos with avocado and salsa, sweet potato and cauliflower sag stew, chicken and mushroom pesto pasta, and vodka sauce cheesy ravioli with meatballs. Ooh. I have a feeling I know which one's gonna be my favorite because I'm a pasta girl through and through. The Italian in me could eat pasta and bread every single day. So like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure to claim that discount code below if you haven't tried out Hungryroot before you order from them, and subscribe to see me cooking all of these items later this week so we can see how they turn out and I can share them with you and we can enjoy them together. So much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.